we expanded this uplift assistance. Mas in-strengthen pa to cover more household beneficiaries who may be vulnerable by the impacts nga of the ongoing energy emergency. Kaya nagsama tayo ng nandun sa lower middle income class at ang naging arrangement nga natin to identify who among those in the middle income class are eligible ay yung pong nasa SSS. We cover more at hindi lang nakafocus doon sa poorest of the poor yung ating pong intervention. It's possible na yung mga na-serve natin na mga drivers will also be served under this expanded uplift assistance because their family members may be members of the 4Ps or the Walang Gutom or are belonging to the near poor or maari rin nakabilang din doon sa talaan ng SSS. Ang programa ay naka-focus doon po sa poorest of the poor. Kasi kinakailangan na sila yung mas bibigyan natin ng tulong. Sila kasi yung nasa level na ng kahirapan. At kapag nagkaroon ng adverse shock, lalo pang ma-exacerbate or lalong lalala yung kanilang sitwasyon. Kaya sila po yung ating talagang, yung attention natin o yung focus po natin ay nasa kanila. And of course, as we look at the yung income deciles, makikita mo na habang nagpo-progress yan ay nakikita mo yung ibang sektor naman ay hindi malaki yung impact nung energy emergency sa kanila compared to those belonging to the poor sector. Well, actually meron po tayo but I don't have it right now. But alam nyo po, kasi magkakaiba yung mga programs and services natin for the poorest of the poor. Like for Pantawid Pamilyang Pilipino program alone, nasa ang annual budget kasi natin dyan every year is parang 50% of the total budget of the DSWD. So that's for 4Ps alone. We also have other programs such as the assistance to individuals in crisis situation na kung saan matutukoy natin who are the poorest of the poor who have availed of the services. And meron din tayong sustainable livelihood program and then nakalahi seats. Kasi take note, these programs really target the poorest of the poor. Gayon din yung walang gutom program. Yung namang pong mga food poor ang target po noon. At naglalaan talaga tayo ng pondo para po dyan. Because again, ang mandato ng DSWD ay tulungan yung mga pinakamahirap nating pong mga kababayan nang sa gayon, matulungan po sila na maiahon mula po sa kahirapan.